Service in Lake Charles has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Intracoastal City to Cameron Law out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Lower Atchafalaya River to Intracoastal City, Louisiana out 20 nautical miles, Vermilion and West Coast Blanche Bays, waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Intracoastal City to Cameron, Louisiana from 20 to 60 nautical miles, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:16 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 18 nautical miles northwest of White Lake to 10 nautical miles southeast of High Island A100, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts to 40 knots, and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include South Marsh Island 217, Vermilion 119, East Cameron 109, West Cameron 248, West Cameron 205, Vermilion 78, West Cameron 398, West Cameron 178, East Cameron 71, West Cameron 198, Vermilion 31, East Cameron 222, West Cameron 196, Vermilion 51, West Cameron WC 284, West Cameron 173, East Cameron 33, West Cameron 192, East Cameron 160, and Vermilion 39. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Southwestern Louisiana and the adjacent coast.